So, what's the verdict? Is the Andro Corp ACI-15 really the best budget AR-15 rifle out there? In my opinion, it's definitely a top contender. With its impressive build quality, stellar performance, and unbeatable price point, I think it's a hard option to beat. Of course, there are other great budget rifles out there, but for my money, the ACI-15 is the way to go. So, what do you think? Have you had any experience with the ACI-15, or do you have any questions about budget AR-15 rifles in general? Let me know in the comments below.